Hello everyone. Today we are going to analyze Madrid real estate market analysis. The main objective of this project is analyze the Madrid real estate market to uncover actionable insight, to provide clear recommendation for investors, buyers and real estate professionals. There are four key goals of this project. First one is data cleanup and data transformation. The second one is features impact on property prices. The third one is market segmentation to identify the lucrative investment opportunities based on property type. And the last one is making interactive dashboard using Microsoft Power BI. Our dataset have multiple records and multiple columns. Go through our dataset. You have to open your Power BI desktop. Firstly, you have to load the data. After that, you have to transform the data. After transforming data, Power Query window is open. Here you can clean your data. First, if you want to remove duplicates, you have to select your all data and click here to remove duplicates. If you want to remove blank rows from your dataset, you can click here, and if you want to remove errors, you can click here. Next, if you want to change the data type of your column, then you can click here and you can set which data type you want to set for your column. If your column have some null values or some blank values, then you can replace these values. Just right click here, replace values. Here I want to replace null values with 0. You can see all null values replaced with 0. Exactly, you have to clean all the columns and apply the changes. Close and apply. We are going to solve some questions. The first question is data transformation and cleanup using, and main focus areas are Power Query and handling duplicates, and we already done with that. The next question is price analysis based on property feature. Here main focus is DAX calculation for average correlation analysis. Accordingly, has pool, has garden and new development, and we have to calculate the highest prices here. Firstly, you have to add one measure. You have to calculate the average prices for all features, all by prices and without features. Here I am going to add average by price. Firstly, calculate, then average, dataset name. I am going to calculate by price, then column name is by price, then enter. Likewise, you have to calculate average price for square meter, average price for garden, average price for pool, average price for exterior, average price for new development, average price with features and average price without features. Likewise, you have to calculate the correlation. Here is the correlation formula. I am showing the pool. Correlation for pool. Likewise, you have to calculate the correlation for new development and terrace. If you don't know how to calculate the correlation, you can use ChatGPT or any other resource. Here, see the comparison. We want to know the highest price. Here clearly showing garden have the highest portion of this pie chart. Then the highest one is the garden. Then after that pool. After that exterior. After that, new development. Okay, the correlation. We are showing the correlation for development, pool and terrace. Minus 0.02 showing the no relation for development. The pool and terrace showing the positive value. This means weak positive relation for. Okay, and then here I am showing the buy price and square meter built accordingly features. The legends are exterior, garden, new development, pool and other. The pink one is showing the pool, buy price and square meter price. Next you can see the feature is exterior and prices for buy price and square meter price. Okay, I am adding some slicer to for. Okay. The next question is market segmentation for investment opportunities. Okay. Okay. The market segmentation question is focused on house type ID and square meter built. For that, we have to calculate the DAX function and top N. Okay. We are going to do. Firstly, you have to calculate the average price, average square meter price. Okay, then here is showing the average buy price by house type. There are 5 house type. You can see here. The highest one is house type 2. Okay, then I calculated the investment score also. The investment score, after that you can see the average square meter price by house type ID. The house type 3 villa is the highest one, highest average square meter price, and which is 44.48%. After that, second number house type 1, after that house type 5, and the lowest one is the house type 2. Okay, here you can see. Yeah, we already calculate the price analysis based on property features. The next one is the average square meter price by house type ID. Yeah, our donut chart showing the villa is the highest one and the house type 4 Casavo chalet is the lowest one. The next is the total space by build type. Okay, C. Square meter built by house type ID. Here you can see house type 1 is the highest one, 2081K, and house type 5 is showing the 163K is the lowest one. The next one, identify the investment hotspot. Yeah, and we are going to calculate the top and filtering. Top 5 most lucrative investment. Here I am adding ID, house type ID, square meter price and rank investment. We want top N. For that we have to add filter. Filter type is top N. We want to show top 5 and by value of the house type ID. After applying filter, uh, this table is showing the top 5 most lucrative investment. And the last question is making interactive dashboard. Okay, and we have to calculate average price, total listing and average square meter price. Okay, for total listing, we have to add one major total row listing. Here is the total. I am calculate the total row of this data set. Here I am showing the average property price. Here is showing the total row listing, average square meter price, then investment score. Okay. To making dashboard interactive, we have to add slicers, then we have to add some bookmarks, we have to add tooltip where it needed. Okay, I'm adding two bookmarks, one for new development and one for luxurious properties like pool and garden. And I'm adding one button to clear all slicers. Okay, you can see if you choose house type ID using slicers, you are making your dashboard dynamically. See, you can see how dashboard is actually working, how price, you can see the prices are changing. Okay, this one is showing the development correlation, pool correlation, terrace correlation, the the exterior. Yeah, okay, question is showing for total average square meter price for each exterior has pool and new development. Okay, see here is the impact of exterior and new development prices. The house with exterior feature average is 576k and houses without exterior feature is 851k. We can see in dashboard exterior. Yeah, here you can see the properties with exterior and without exterior. Here you can see average uh, average price for pool and average price without pool. This gauge chart is showing the average price for new development, average price with pool and average price with garden. Okay, and the last one is this all filters making our dashboard dynamically and interactive. Thank you.